Wow, we just received an amazing 5-star review from one of our new happy customers. They were so excited about our great customer service, they went online and left this fantastic review. Here's what they had to say.
This is my first review ever. I have to shout out to all who are looking for an excellent place to eat Japanese food. This is the place where everything you eat is unbelievably perfect. Mahalo nui loa Ron. You have raised my eyebrows and tickled my taste buds, and that's really hard to do. Aloha.
But don't take the reviewer's word for it. Discover the difference for yourself. We're confident you'll love the value and attention to detail that becomes our specialty. So just call us at the number on your screen or visit us online. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.